Hello, welcome to my channel. Today, I am here with a video of introduction to freelancing. The topics we will discuss today are: what is freelancing, what you need as a freelancer, how it works, what are the jobs for a freelancer. First of all, what is freelancing? Providing your services for money is freelancing. In other words, freelancing is working for different clients or companies from home or any part of the world. Freelancing on the side is a great way to make a little extra cash. What you need as a freelancer. All you need to start freelancing is a laptop and internet connection. Now we will talk about how does freelancing work. Usually in freelancing, employers will start the process by posting a job or project on a freelance website. Then freelancers send proposals explaining their expertise, experience and amount they will charge. The employer then select one of the freelancer by checking their proposals and agreement is established. After it's completed to the required standard, payment will be made. Now, what are the jobs for a freelancer? There are thousands of categories for freelancers. Simply every job which can be done on computer laptop are available for freelancers around the world, but the most popular are data entry, website development, writing, blogging, social media marketing, photography, marketing, graphic design, website design, translation, SEO optimization, etc. What are the pros of freelancing? You do work and you get paid. Interestingly, you can do freelancing from any corner of the world. You can work as per your schedule, choose your working hours. You are your own boss, no one is going to screw your head because there is no one called boss. You can work with multiple clients at the same time, which you cannot do in a regular job. Your pay is fixed in a regular job, but if you work as a freelancer, you can earn as much as you want. It's all up to the amount of work you can deliver. There are some of the freelancing sites where you can find work, which will be covered in next video, and how to get started. Thanks for watching. Like the video and comment if you have any queries.